It's an emotional issue.
We'll ask for order in the gallery.
You go after everybody's kids but your own.
We need to realize we're driving children to a lifetime of irreversible damage.
To say this is a bill protecting children is completely disingenuous.
More and more attacks upon children, them being presented with decisions that are well beyond their ability, capacity.
Transgender-related legislation has passed into law in 14 states in recent months. There are hundreds more bills being considered.
68 representatives vote aye, 32 have voted no.
Motion passes.
In Montana, in a party line vote, state legislator Zoe Zephyr was banned from the House floor Wednesday, accused of breaking decorum and inciting her supporters in her objecting to a bill that would block certain medical care for transgender minors. It would also penalize doctors and nurses who provide those services. While condemning her punishment, the American Civil Liberties Union of Montana and Lambda Legal promised to challenge the bill Zephyr spoke out against. That would be among the many legal challenges headed to court over transgender-related laws in the U.S. Constitutional law experts predict it's just the beginning.
We're going to see a number of challenges. We're going to see challenges brought under state constitutions. We're going to see challenges brought under the federal constitutions. And we're going to see these challenges brought by a number of different actors.
That could mean people saying the laws violate their own constitutional rights, local governments challenging state laws, and even the federal government challenging newly passed bills. The Department of Justice filed suit this week taking on Tennessee's new ban on gender-affirming care for youth. The argument, the state is violating the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause by denying medical care to young people based solely on who they are. Tennessee Governor Bill Lee calls the Justice Department action federal overreach at its worst.
I think the most significant decision to look to is a case called Bostock v. Clayton County.
That Supreme Court case interpreted Title VII of federal law, which protects against discrimination on the basis of sex. The court found it also protects on the basis of sexual orientation and gender identity, but it doesn't apply to state laws, leaving a legal gray area.
As a matter of law, the Bostock decision is fairly narrow. It just has to do with this particular statute. And so it doesn't bind other courts in other areas. There's a question as to whether it will be persuasive to those courts in other areas. And then there remains this big question hanging out there of whether or not the federal constitution protects against discrimination on the basis of gender identity, and that's an unresolved question.
Some proponents of bills that restrict gender-affirming care say it comes down to treatments for minors.
Let's be clear. We're not saying don't transition. We're simply saying wait until you're 18.
And constitutional law experts think it could be messy until there's a clearer decision from the High Court.
I think we'll probably see the court resolve this question of whether or not the Equal Protection Clause protects against discrimination on the basis of gender identity in some way over the next several years. But with all of these different challenges, all of these different laws, I don't know what that is going to look like.
Maritza Giorgio, Scripps News, Missoula, Montana.